These roads. Whoa! Woo! What the hell? A freaking roller coaster. Some scenic roads here. Hold up. Whoa! We got the squiggle sign. Whoa! Bumpy! Bumpy, bumpy as I'm riding a fucking Bronco. Presidio, that's the spot I'm trying to head to. It's supposed to be a good road here. This is what my new friends recommended. Whoa! It's good except it's bumpy. Rio Grande's on my left. Whoa! Whoa! Yes! Oh, this is a good road. Good job. Gas station biker friends. That's where you meet the best people. Bumpy, 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 bumpy. Where's the edge? Where's the road? Oh yeah, look at that. Chicanes. Chicanes, baby. Oh, get in it. You gotta get in it a bit there. You gotta get in it. This is road to Presidio. This is a good road here. With the Rio Grande on my left. The Rio Grande. I got freaking Mexico right on the other side. That's Mexico. And then this is the US. That's Mexico. This blows my freaking mind a little bit here. Whoa, this road's pretty good. It's got me talking in a higher pitch. It's always a good thing. These blind drop-offs where it looks like you're gonna go up the edge of the world. Whee! We got squiggles coming up. These roads. Whoa! Woo! What the hell? A freaking roller coaster. Oh my goodness. Oh, they're bumpy roads too. Hold on. Dude. The freaking drop off. Freaking nuts. Whoa, it's a good road. Texas I-70. This is the winner. Woohoo! Oh man, this is a good one. Whoa, these drop-offs. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Whoa! Whoa! Get the knee out. Use the road. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hold on. Let's see what's around the river bend here. Get that knee out. Push into it. Yes. Push into it. We're going up. Whoa! Blind turn. Watch out for the bird. Whoa, where are we going? Ah! We're going down. Whoa, baby. Ah! Woo! I don't even like roller coasters, but I love being on the old bikeroonie. Push into it. Look through. Where are we going? Ah! Oh, fuck! Woo! Woo! Fucking God! Oh, shit! We got some squiggles, some Squidward tentacles coming up, rock slides. Let's hope not. Woo! So Mexico is those mountains on the left. The mountains on the right are the U.S. That's how close the border is. It's freaking nuts. Blowing my mind a little bit there. Blowing my mind parts. Let's get it! Let's go! We're going up into the mountains! Watch out for the rock slides. 25? They get me downshifting here. Let's see. I'm gonna ease into it first. Get the rhythm of the mountain. And get the rhythm of the night. Dude, we are going up. Ears are popping. It's popping. Uh-huh. Yeah, give me that. Give me that. Give me some of that. Lean it, baby. Lean with it, rock with it. Oh, yeah. Yo! Oh, we're going downtown. Woo, baby! We are going down. Share the road, it says. Share the road. This guy's got an old Charger. Nice guy, nice guy. Oh, we got some interesting road formations up here. Let's see. Get that knee out, baby boy. Get the knee out. Looks like we got some swoopers coming up. A few little swoopy swoops. A couple of these bad boys. Let's see. Swoop me. Swoop me. Whoa. Swoop meat. Swap meat. Going up. Whoa, baby. Going down. Going all around. Oh, that's there's people there. Whoa, these are nice. Whoa, look at this turn. Ah, leaning me over. Ah, oh, sweet. That's what I like to see. Where's the turn? Where's the turn? Ah, oh, beautiful. Beautiful indeed. What do we got here? Another one. Whoa, hold on. Lean into it. You gotta lean. You gotta believe there's a turn in half of these ones. You don't even freaking know. More. It's giving more. Hold on. Hold on to your butts. Oh, here we go. Loose livestock. Something else is loose, I'll tell you right now. My bowels. Sorry, disregard that. Whoa. Long legs Lenore. Oh, Eurobeat's intensifying. Let's go. Where's the turn? Where does it go? Ah, it goes right there. Gotta believe. This is a beautiful road we got here. Lean over. I'm leaning. Full lean. Knees out. Ass off. Whoa, sir. Sorry, I sound like Inspector Gadget. Hold on, hit it. You're gonna hit one. Hit two. Hit three. Whoa, wow, wee wah. Dude, this road's legit. Got some border patrol action here in Texas. It's pretty funny. Interesting indeed. Oh, very cool. Oh, they're gonna sniff me.